discover lush Lutyens Delhi living. Reimagined in vertical form beside the Dwarka Expressway. This is a new way of living, where nature is embraced in beautifully unexpected ways, and well-being is an essential rhythm of daily life. A lifestyle created in nature, with enhanced air quality through biophilic terraces and green spaces designed to nurture, creating a serene microclimate. It is a place where home is a luxurious, elegant sanctuary, an exclusive and diverse community rising above the hum of the city, sharing a deep emotional connection to its surroundings. This is Amstoria Verti Greens, an inspired design creating a vertical interpretation of the Lutyens concept. A design that intertwines the built form with nature, surrounded by vast landscaped areas that bring tranquility and beauty to everyday life, and a shared responsibility for natural ecology and biodiversity. A place to be connected to the city and beyond. Strategically located on the Dwarka Expressway, with easy access to Delhi and Gurugram's commercial hubs. A place where home is designed for an elevated lifestyle experience, where amenities are designed within each Amstoria Verti Greens tower. A vertical design innovation that creates a verdant oasis in the sky. This is design that defines a heightened sense of living. This is Amstoria Verti Greens, Sector 102, Dwarka Expressway.